Faith in Nature Chocolate Shampoo 400 ml. Faith in Nature Chocolate Shampoo 400 ml. Faith in Nature Hemp and Meadowfoam Shampoo 400 ml. Faith in Nature Hemp and Meadowfoam Shampoo 400 ml. Faith in Nature Shampoo Grapefruit and Orange. Faith in Nature Grapefruit and Orange Shampoo. With organic citrus oil.For normal to oily hair. Certified organic ingredients. Cruelty-free international.Best by ethical consumer magazine.Vegan. Pete and Pedro Clean Deep Cleaning Signature Hair. I have been using Pete and Pedro Clean and Condition for a few months now. Also I purchase the cream, as a light hold, and it helps lock in the moisture in my hair after a shower. I have severe psoriasis on my head. I have tried everything to help get rid of it or at least cut it down. I would use tar shampoos twice a day and I still had flakes because of my psoriasis. It sucked. I showered daily and washed my hair twice a day minimum, but halfway through the day I'd have someone say, "Oh, you have a few flakes." It was embarrassing and I felt awful. Then I stumbled across Aaron on YouTube. I saw this Pete and Pedro and he seemed like a very honest guy, which is very uncommon with people nowadays that own companies. So I took a shot and bought the shampoo, conditioner, cream, and putty. I have to say, I haven't had a flake since December 2016. I don't know what it is that fixed me, but I now just shower once a day and wash my hair once a day. No flake problems at all. It's amazing. I hope Aaron sees this because these products truly changed my life and improved it. So thank you very much. Also, anyone on the fence about purchasing Pete and Pedro products? It is really good. Yes, we all have different hair and such, but it's a very good quality product.